Oh my god, man. Bro, woke up late again. It's 8 a.m. Oh, alright, let's get to work. Man, I don't even know what to do. I don't want to study. Could go to the gym. Nah, today's a rest day, innit? Let me just watch a bit of Netflix, honestly. Wait, what even is the date today? It's December 31st? You're telling me it's 2025 tomorrow? Damn, bro, I guess that's another year gone. Oh, I know what I should do. Let's make a New Year resolution. Alright, so let's first check my 2024 goals. Okay, so $1,000 a month revenue. No, I'm making zero right now, so I guess that's a no. Weekly upload on the YouTube. Not even post one video. Run a marathon. Bro, what? I wanted to do that. Man, I didn't even start running. 4.0 GPA. Bro, I didn't want to talk about my grades. Alright, but that's fine. That's fine. Like 2025 is gonna be my year, bro. We'll just change this into 2025. See, we'll just have the same goals. No, this year I'll actually hit it. Yeah. Bro, come on. Yeah. 2025 is my year, bro. Come on. Let's lock in, bro. Please don't be like that guy, bro, because that guy is not gonna hit his goals in 2025. That's for sure. So if you've been struggling with hitting your goals every single year, every single January 1st, you make your New Year resolution and you start improving and making progress for the first 2 weeks, and then when you check back at the end of the year, it's like, damn, bro, I barely hit 1% of my goals. And if I just described you right now, then my story might actually help you. And because I was that person, the person you just saw in the skit, that was me for like the last I don't know how many years, just making New Year resolution goals and then not sticking to them, and then thinking that, oh, if I just do it again, it might work. And so the only way that I was able to change myself from someone who didn't care about their goals, for example, didn't study, didn't take care about the grades, didn't go to the gym, didn't take care about their fitness, didn't take care about their diet, their religion, spirituality, just overall future, to then someone who actually does all the good habits, is actually trying to become an efficient student and study hard, trying to actually improve their fitness, and their diet and their nutrition and their mental health and spirituality. What caused that big change? And it's not your typical New Year resolution goals. Instead, my big realization in 2024 when it came to setting goals is that you actually want to set systems rather than goals in order to actually make progress in your self-improvement journey. And so how this might actually work is, let's say your goal is to get a 4.0 GPA, right? Instead of just having that goal that doesn't prompt you to actually do any action because you don't know what's going to get you to a 4.0 GPA. But if you actually slowly break down every single aspect of your life that can help you get a 4.0 GPA, then you can set a lifestyle that's going to ensure that you actually at least get close to hitting that goal. And so to hit a 4.0 GPA, you need to first of all, every week, read your textbook and any assigned readings that you have before the lecture. Then what you need to do is actually attend the lecture and not skip any lectures. Writing notes on the lecture after the lecture is done using active recall. What this means is actually doing your assignments 2 weeks, even sometimes 3 weeks ahead of time. This also means start studying for your exams 7 days at least prior, and then actually using a lot of testing instead of just memorizing off notes. And just overall doing all the habits of an efficient student and structuring that into a lifestyle where you have daily tasks and weekly tasks, and you have a laid out weekly schedule so that you actually know what you need to do every single day. It was only by this method that I actually started making progress in my own life, like actually deducing, oh, I want to just bench 2 plates, to then actually I want to go to the gym 5 times, 6 times a week and hitting chest twice. And then for recording content, instead of just saying, oh, I just want 10,000 subscribers, I'll say, okay, I need to record twice a week consistently for every week of the year, and then every single week I'm gonna actually improve on the quality of the videos, the thumbnails, the editing, whatever it might be, and then taking courses, watching videos, just so that I actually improve in those skills. And so if you want to see similar progress to your goals in 2025, then you need to adopt the method that I used. And the thing is, I've only been adopting it really and truly for 2024. And this is exactly why 2024 has been my best year by far, uncomparably to any other year of my life, where I've made progress to the goals that I actually wanted to make progress to. I started becoming more of the actual efficient student that I wanted to be. I also have been making so many gains when it comes to the gym, when it comes to my diet, and actually understanding what goes into my body, what's good for me, what's not good for me, what helps me study more, what helps me in the gym. And so I'm making this video because if there's anyone out there that's trying to make similar progress towards their goals, then I'm urging you to actually use the same method because it just works for me. And so get the big goal that you want to achieve for the year and then split it down into a system where you know exactly what you need to do every single week and every single day to actually get closer to the goal. And so instead of saying, oh, I just want to gain 20 pounds of muscle this year, it's going to go all the way down to, okay, on from Monday to Saturday, I'm going to hit the gym from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then you're going to actually create a workout plan that's going to help you gain those 20 pounds of muscle in a year. And so since there's a lot that actually goes into, creating systems and even creating a weekly schedule, making a whole calendar, then I can't really make a whole video on here. And this is why I actually have my free school community. It's the first link in the description where I help a bunch of guys excel in their studies and overall self-improvement. And we help them with a lot of things such as creating a weekly schedule or just setting systems so that they actually achieve the goals they want to. And so if that sounds interesting, I'll see you there.